Meet Bizify, WhatsApp chat, the ultimate tool for real-time customer communication. And now, we've launched some exciting new features to make your experience even better. Let's get started. First, head to your Bizify dashboard and activate the advanced extension. To unlock our latest enhancements, turn off the basic theme and switch to the advanced theme. Next, select the Omni Connect theme. This theme is designed to integrate seamlessly with all the new features. And remember, you must save your settings to apply these changes. Now, see the magic. With the advanced theme and Omni Connect enabled, you can enjoy all these additional features. Use automated responses for quick replies, organize your chats effortlessly, and manage your customer interactions like never before. Try it today and transform your customer communication with Bizify. Join the Appify commerce community and take your business communication to the next level.